बेटा, nervousness is the manager's perfume.
ঐশ্বর্যক ব্যাপার। ওরা বলছে আমার মাথার ঝোলটাকে 5 ফুটান বেশি হয়ে গেছে। আমার আমার
Maybe because you mixed your awful temper with the curry.
ধুর বাবা, আর পারছে না। I quit, Mr. Kapoor.
Not again. You've already resigned twice today.
Hey guys, this is Mahira Malhotra and welcome back to my channel. We are here in Hotel Kohinoor and look at this beauty. This diamond is worth 5 crores. Can you imagine?
ओ मैडम जी जरा संभाल के, कांच का फिर से तोड़िएगा। अब एक काला चश्मा हटाइएगा, वरना कुछ नजर आएगा।
That was content, Raju. लोगों को ऐसी ही तो चीजें देखना पसंद है।
রাজু,
अगर हमारे पास भी हीरा होता तो गांव में भैया के लिए 2 तो कंगनियां खरीद देते। ना 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 ना, हमसे ना हो पाएगा।
If I had this beauty, I would quit my stupid job and go on a world tour. But no, I can't do this.
দারুণ লাগছে। If I had this diamond, I would have opened a hotel in Durgapur. কিন্তু এটা আমি করতে পারবো না।
Damn! How gorgeous! You see this beauty? If I had this beauty, then I could have collaborated with every Hollywood A-listers and be a star myself. But never mind, it ain't gonna happen.
बिटिया का बिहार करवा देते।
wrong with everyone? What happened? What is all this ruckus about? What? Oh my god. My heart's doing bhangra inside my ribs. The diamond's gone. My hotel's gone.
सर
My career's gone.
Why fear when Inspector Rathore is here? Silence, everyone. I'll solve the case.
Oh really? First of all, how many times have you rehearsed it before presenting it to us? You should start with logic first, Inspector.
Of course, I'm not a fool. I will educate everyone. Nobody move. You wearing the trophy, right? Confess.
আরে ইন্সপেক্টর ম্যাডাম, আমি নির্দোষ। আমি তো শুধু মাথা শুনে মশালা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে এসেছিলাম।
Cracking recipes or stealing diamonds. Who knows?
Inspector, I believe him. I think even his mache chhol is innocent.
It's him. He was shouting louder than me. What if it's him?
I shouted in the name of art, not in the name of crime. अरे हमारे ज़माने में even thieves had integrity. They used to steal in silence.
Oh, influencer. You're awfully quiet. Got nothing to say?
Excuse me, I was live streaming and I even have proof. And by the way, I only steal views, not these diamonds.
इंस्पेक्टर जी, इसके एक बात पर भरोसा मत कीजिए। लाइक व्यूज के चक्कर में कोना नीचे आते गिर जाते हैं।
Enough. The real thief is still here. Maybe it's Raju. He's been smiling all this while. What if it's him? Huh.
हट ससुर, दरोगा जी, अब हंसना में खाना गुनाह है क्या?
Maybe it's the chef. He's being a little too dramatic. Chanchatur. Champli.
আরে আমি শুধু লোকেদের টেস্ট বোর্ড চুরি করি আর মাঝে মাঝে দু একটা সন্দেশ, কিন্তু কখনো কোনো সিরিয়াস জিনিস নেই। এই তো। Or maybe it's the lobby girl. She has been blaming everyone since the beginning. हमारे ज़माने में असली चोर ऐसे ही नाटक करते थे।
And maybe you have really started to lose your mind.
कुछ भी।
ये राजू चोर लग
राजू
रहा
ही
है।
चोर है। तेरी तुझे तो
डायमंड चाहिए था ना?
तुझे डायमंड चाहिए था ना?
सबसे डायमंड चाहिए था। गलत कर रहा है।
चुप रह, एकदम चुप रह। तेरी
डायमंड चाहिए था ना? चुपचाप रह, चुपचाप रह।
Excuse me, Sabji.
ये तो बड़ा मिला। What's this now? Lost property or evidence? Maybe it belongs to some guest. I should probably return it to the lost and found counter. But the letter T on the keychain. I wonder who it may belong to.
Or maybe in this case it belongs to none other than the culprit.
So, T is for thief.
Or the T stands for terrible twist.
or maybe T is for my TRP.
या फिर टी से टेंशन।
अरे क्या मेम साहब, आप लोग इतना काहे क्यों सोचते हैं? ये तो तारा मेम साहब का है, मैंने पहले भी देखा है उनके हाथों में।
Inspector, where did you find this from? This belongs to my daughter.
Why don't you ask her yourself?
Tara, this is your keychain. I had got it for you from Dubai last year, remember?
That's not possible, Papa. It must have fallen down there earlier.
You always kept it clipped to your bag, right?
See that pause? That's the silence of guilt. She is good, but her silence cracked her.
Oh no! My phone's dead. I'm missing so much
ये
content.
फिर से शुरू हो गई.
আজকালের জেনারেশন শুধু ফোন হয়ে পাগল হয়ে গেছে।
Tara, just tell me the truth. Did you go near the cabinet? Yes or no?
I didn't meant for it to go this far, Papa. I only wanted to prove that.
Prove what? That guilt looks fashionable now.
No, Mr. Singh. Yes, I took the diamond. But not for the greed, but for my freedom.
Freedom?
I never wanted to steal the diamond, Papa. I just wanted my life. You always wanted me to manage this hotel all my life. While my dreams sat collecting dust like old room service trays.
पर बेटा तुम्हारे लिए तो कर रहा था ये सब.
No, Papa, you did it for yourself, not for me. This hotel is your dream, not mine. Mine lies in the skies. I always wanted to be a pilot, and I was almost there. And now, the diamond, it was never my prize. It was my ticket.
So all of this was planned. All of this.
Yes, but I didn't mean to hurt anyone. I just wanted you all to see how suspicion can blind even the purest hearts. You all were so quick to point fingers that no one even looked at the quiet one. Because silent people never look guilty, right?
Tara, you outsmarted everyone.
Not outsmarted, sir. Outdreamed. I never wanted to steal the diamond, Papa. I just wanted a little space to breathe, to live my own life. You built this hotel with your dreams, but I want to build mine with my own choices.
पर बेटा मुझे लगा तू खुश है. I just never wanted you to struggle like I did.
I never needed the diamond, Papa. I only needed a path where I could choose my own life, like once you did.
मैडम जी आपने तो रुला ही डाला.
Oh no! I had waited for this moment for so long. Everything was ready and I was about to sell the entire story to Bollywood. But रह गया exclusive यार. Hut!
আমার স্বপ্নতেও আমি এমন কিছু দেখেছিলাম না। ইভেন দ্য আলু ইন মাই বিরিয়ানি ক্রাইম सो इमोशनल पैथेटिक। हमारे ज़माने में पेरेंट्स यूं ही अपने बच्चों को फोर्स नहीं किया करते थे।
So the case is closed or emotionally open.
Inspector, I realized my mistake. Under the burden of my legacy, I failed to see what my daughter truly wanted in her life. Perhaps I have failed as a father.
She only wanted to realize her dreams, not to surrender to a crime she did not intend to. But she did commit a crime nonetheless. Curious, but after all, I'm a human.
Here, do what you must.
No, Tara. I declare the case closed. Not, but only for evidence, not for hearts. Because what we really lost tonight was trust and maybe found a little courage instead.
हमारे ज़माने में कहानी इतनी इमोशनल भी नहीं होती थी।
Sorry बेटा, I'm sorry for everything. तुझे जो करना है तू कर. I'll never stop you from achieving your dreams ever again.
This hotel has a new story now, and so do I. Sometimes stealing a dream is the only way to make it your own.
I miss you on some days, even though I feel betrayed.
Please give a big round of applause for their great hard work.
अरे वो